Welcome to another little episode of TJ doing his own shed life for a change. I'm going to run you guys through this chassis bracing install. Superior have sorted me out because everyone was going on about the chassis flex on my vehicle. So, because I carry a lot of weight and it's past the back wheel, decided this was an important mod for me. Hopefully this gives you a little bit of an insight of how it's done, and maybe you can decide if it's something you might need as well. Stay tuned though. Later in the episode I'm going to do my winch install. It's been a long time coming. Let's get into it. Okay, a bit of a behind the scenes video today. I'm at Superior Engineering. The boys are hooking me up with a chassis bracing kit because you might have noticed from previous footage that a fair bit of flex in my chassis, especially when the canopy's on, not much weight, needs to be kind of braced. Don't want your chassis snapping at any point. So today we're actually at Superior Engineering's new shop, workshop, showroom and offices are all here now, as well as all the parts for everything. It's pretty cool. Might show you guys around. We actually also have Macca's 79 in here today. We're just doing a quick check over because I actually didn't realise this was the first 5-inch kit the guys ever did. And the car's nearly at 70,000 Ks, so just having a quick look over and make sure everything's still good. Obviously you saw from previous episode that for some reason the coil retainers are missing, but obviously these kits come with that, so I'm going to throw a brand new set of those in. I'm not sure what happened, previous owner must have taken them out, and just check over all the bushes, nuts, bolts, everything that holds it together and make sure it's all good basically. But yeah, so far so good. I'm a naughty boy.
Yeah, just had a quick look. I was like, there's a gap between those.
That's 100% my fault. I do that. I've been adjusting the upper rear arms myself because I was doing different spring heights a lot. That was just finger tight. So basically the boys just sort of prep the chassis area, clean off all the existing paint and get it ready. The bracing plate will be welded onto the stock chassis. That's how you get your strength. As you can see in this footage, I'll show you now. When the car's off-road, usually there is a lot of flex once you put weight past the wheels. This plate is what's going to stop that happening. So basically the chassis was cleaned up and prepped, and now we're just going to tack on the brace, make sure it's in the right spot, and then weld her on basically. Pretty similar brace to when we did Max coil conversion, except it had a lot more of them around the whole chassis. This is the plate that's been added over the top of a stock chassis rail. Starts just before the end of the cab and goes to this rear mount here. What do you reckon, girl? You gonna help? Alright, pretty excited. This is the RUNVA winch straight from Outback Equipment. The guy sent it out to me. I know, right? It's about time I got this sorted. You agree too, do you? Yeah. You want to open? As you might be able to tell behind me, it is piss and rain. Has been raining on the coast for about forever. I've been trying to wait for a sunny day, but I'm not getting it. So we're nosed into the garage here, garage life. Let's open up the box. Let's do a bit of an unboxing. Instructions, which I'll be using because I need instructions. Controller. Oh, stubby pills. Going to go in there, I should. Now that is quite heavy. I can see why you need to upgrade your springs if you have normal springs in the front. Because taking off the front of the wheels, this is going to pull the car down a bit.
Hey, Peppy Larry! Are you wet?
Just come to help.
Hey, Pep.
Oh, what do you reckon, Jamin? Take the grill off and throw her in. Wait, you throw it in for me.
Yes, I am. Fuck it. Yeah, get her in there, eh?
Old JP captured helping us out here.
As easy as that. Fucking straight in.
Okay, so for me to gain access to my winch cradle, I need to take off this bottom bash plate located here.
He's helped me on literally everything I put on my car almost. My channel's got nothing to do with how to do anything. JP captured is the one you want if you got a nav.
These nuts which go into the bottom of the winch, there's little slots in the side.
Which nuts was it?
One of these 8.
Yeah, I'll slide them all out. Doesn't need to angle. Oh, yeah, just that was real easy. Just throw it in. That's my little light up here. This is obviously for a soft shackle. Goes straight onto the carbon rope. That is that. Are you guys proud of me? I did this on my own. I mean, Jamin helped me lift it in, or throw it in. I've got it wide. It seems to be working. Also, in a twist of fate, Jackson's sister just rang up and said she's bogged. So, perfect timing, I'd say, to go test out the new winch. Yeah, actually really perfect timing. So yeah. She's called Big Brother to come help.
Yeah.
So is she aware she's going to be filmed?
This is the second Forester that's been recovered.
Oh, it's a Forester.
Yeah. It's proper.
Oh, I'm going to have to go and forward. Hello. Oh, just slide down the hill.
Yeah, get us sideways into the garden.
Yeah. I'll just reverse up here and winch her.
Easy. Fancy little remote. You want to get your wheel down early, as like get your wheel straight or right hand down. It's raining harder.
You're right. Working. Just keep driving slow. There, stop.
Car doesn't smell very good. A lot of clutch.
There we go, mate. Success, it works.
The winches.
Well, that's a success.
Bull bar didn't come off.
And the bull bar didn't come off. That's amazing. Success.
It's still attached.
That time of year again, logbook service time. Anyway, I just sort of bring it down to Pro Check because I can do logbook services here and get the navy done on the 20,000. Well, actually way over because I've been doing trips, but yeah. The 20,000 K service, logbook service, so nothing crazy. Stoked that I got bash plates in the way.
Yeah.
No, these ones actually have a hole, so they didn't have to take them off. See, I've actually been using the bash plates. Okay, so I haven't opened the bonnet since sundown, National Park. You can't tell. I'm that guy, hey.
You were being that guy.
Yeah. Logbook service, done. Done and dusted.